Hi friends, in today's session, we'll be writing and solving multi-step equations with variables on both sides. So just a refresher, when you have an equation with variables on both sides, you first want to decide which variable term you're going to move from one side of your equation to the other. That way you can combine those like terms and solve the equation as normal, whether it's a two-step equation left or a one-step equation left. For our model today, we're going to look at an example talking about iTunes and Tidal, the music streaming companies. The cost to purchase a song from iTunes is 99 cents per song. To purchase a song from Tidal, you must be a member. The Tidal membership fee is $10. In addition, each purchased song costs 89 cents. How many downloaded songs, D, must be purchased for the monthly price of Tidal to be the same as iTunes? So whenever we have a word problem, first step is to read it. Now that we've read the word problem, we can go ahead and identify the important information. So I underlined 99 cents per song. The Tidal membership is $10, and that's from Tidal, while the 99 cents per song is for iTunes. And each purchased song from Tidal is 89 cents. So we're going to let our variable D equal the number of songs that was given to us in the word problem. For iTunes, we know that the unit rate or the coefficient for iTunes is 99 cents because we have that keyword per there, or per song, while it has a zero constant. There's no one-time fee or initial fee or membership fee for iTunes. Then for Tidal, we have a unit rate of 89 cents. So we have another unit rate happening in the same word problem, but this one, instead of being for iTunes, is for Tidal, this time with a different unit rate keyword, which we see each purchased song. And then because there is a membership fee for Tidal, that is a constant of 10, so that we have to make sure we add that to what people are paying for each song from Tidal. So then when we put that together, because we want to see when those two values are going to be the same, I'm writing an expression to represent iTunes and an expression to represent Tidal, both with the same variable. So I have 0.99D, that represents iTunes, and I'm setting that equal to 0.89D plus 10, because that's what represents what someone is paying for Tidal. So now I'm going to take my equation, since I've come up with a plan, and I'm going to solve this. And when I get my answer for D, I'll know the number of songs where both iTunes and Tidal will cost the same. So because I have a higher unit rate on the left than I do on the right, I'm going to start by moving my variable term 0.89D from the right side of my equation to the left side by subtracting it on both sides. When I subtract it on the right, it cancels out, and on the left, I'm left with 0.10D, and that equals 10. Then I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by that coefficient, or that unit rate that we have left. So I'm going to divide both sides by 0.10. It cancels out on the left side of my equation, leaving just my variable by itself. So now I know D, when I divide 10 by 0.10, I'm left with 100. So that means for both Tidal and iTunes to cost the same amount, they would have to download 100 songs.